Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to make transparent background in Photoshop. So let's see. Alright, so we'll take a look at this file right here. I have a mockup file right here, and I want to make this mockup a transparent background. For me to do that, the first thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to the mockup layer right here. Make sure you come to the background layer, then open up the background folder. After you open up the background folder, then make sure you disable this layer. Having disabled the layer, you have it this way, just like so. Now, you want to make this transparent. So for you to do that, so the very first thing you want to do is to go to File from the top right here. And then next thing we want to do is to make sure we go to Save a Copy. And this is going to pop up. Next thing we want to do is to simply go to Desktop. So I'm going to save this in Desktop. The next thing we want to do is to come down below right here where we have Save as Type. Click on that, and at this point here, make sure you choose PNG. Then with that, come down below right here and make sure you click on Save. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to make sure large file size is still okay. Then click on OK right here. Go. In a few seconds, all the file is going to save as transparent. So by the time I minimize my Photoshop and head over to my PC, then you have it right here as a transparent background. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to make transparent background in Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.